Saturday, March 1st. Today is the day of days. We are going to probably do a test run out in the yard here, but I'll check in with Dad and see what's the latest here before we do it. So, are we going to do one today or no? So Dad had some final tweaking that he wanted to do here. He just fired it up, and Aidan's going to open up the back door and we're going to get ready here. So Dad and Peter and the little dog are getting in, and they're going to back up here right away. Excited?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so they're going to back up here right away. So it's a slow backup. That's the furthest it's moved since rolling into the shop. Well, I guess they had it out and around at one point there. So they're now out in the yard. Hooray!
You want to come? Yeah.
Okay, Aidan's gonna get in there. He worked on it. He earned his ride. So Dad and Peter and Aidan and Nina are all in there for our first tour. And they're going around Dad's garden there. Sounds great. Looks like it's moving really good through that thick snow. Now, we had a lot of snow and we didn't clear back there either. Sounds like they're struggling a little bit in the back there, but could be just they're making a new path. What do you think, Charles? Emily? There's Schooner. Aidan's running towards the shop, probably needs a shovel. Shovel?
It's a little deep.
Yeah, a little. So I can hear it moving back there, but a bit of an update. Peter just came here and grabbed Jack 3 feet of snow, so they're kind of stuck right now. I could hear it moving a bit more. It's moving for sure. They're probably going backwards and forwards. I know Aidan came out here with a shovel to dig everything out, so it's going to be interesting here to see what these guys do. Oh, there it is, right there. So they backed it up. Maybe they give it another go here. Looks like they're going to give it another go. Yeah, first test run in 3 foot of snow is probably not the best idea. So, all that snow we had this winter, that's what they got stuck in. So they likely lost momentum going around this corner, and they were able to back up, but they're hung up on a ridge over there. Aidan and Peter are digging out. Dad's 82, he's not digging nothing. So Dad just said to these guys, get clear. He's going to try and back it up, and then he's going to see if he can maybe get it going here. Again, lots of snow, guys, lots and lots of snow here. Tell Dad the rear track is spinning. Good thing we got Aidan over here, otherwise Peter and I would be digging. And I'm a fat fuck, so I ain't digging shit out. Aidan's got the jack out now. So this is where they hit, and that's what they still got to get through. So this is the machine here. This is the first path they tried going down, and the second path wasn't any easier. So could be here for a bit. I was in the shop for 10 minutes cleaning up, didn't realize that they were still out here. So that right track was what was spinning before. Looks like Aidan is getting this thing up and Aidan just let us know how he felt about jacking up a snowmobile or a Bombardier in 3 feet of snow. They're trying to clear as much as they can here. That's going to give it a go here. Moving back, but that's as far as it's going to go.
Okay, put to the big door, put that jack in and your shovel. I gotta evacuate the fuck out of here.
So Dad says he's just going to back right out if he can. Might be easier said than done. Again, this is winter's worth of snow, and we couldn't get back in here all winter long, and we just got snow again the other day. Okay, so Dad's backed out here now, and we're just gonna back out all together, I think, and is what he's doing there. So we'll follow him back over to the shop. Dad's still got to make a track here to get out. He doesn't want to get out of the way. Just moved out of the way now. So it's up to my knees here. That's what Dad's dealing with. To dive out of the way here. Dad didn't see me. Okay, he's taking it a different route, hopefully not through the fucking field. He just turned onto the main road and he's coming back. Got some pep. I told him not to go the one route, otherwise he's gonna drive over the drag. Okay, good, he is coming the right way here. Please don't drive that way. Okay, good. Dad just said it's heating. So you can see they got the door mounted fans on there right now. Dad would have installed those this morning. Schooner just loves this. He's not afraid of bombardiering. Charlie, not going to get out of the way. Emily, first time she's seen this. Little dog's in there right now. It sounds good, but Dad is gonna know everything that he needs to know about these machines just by listening to it. We didn't blow a track, which is good. The skis didn't fall off. Don't want to be going through 3 foot of snow again. Tracks look good on this side. Peter's hopping in just for a good listen as well.
And then I don't know what thermostat is.
Hi, you better stay there with your dad. Dad's just idling and checking the gauges. Dad was just saying that's the nice part about engines, he just took the one door off. Probably gonna lift off the other one here right now. There you go. So I guess they're gonna run it like that. Aidan's hopping back in. Okay, all three are in again. We're going to see what they're going to do. Hopefully they don't go the same way. I think just a quick trip around the yard. I wonder if they're going to go in the field. I really do. So they're going to run it like that with doors off. See if it cools down a bit. Oh, he's going to run over the drag. Oh no, you missed it. I told him not to go that way because that's where I parked my drag for the doing the yard. But it looks like they're going onto the main road here right now. Well, they're backed up. I don't know if they're straightening out or what they're doing. Okay, I can hear them going down the highway. So they're probably running it right to the end of the highway, which is a couple miles down the road. Probably turn around down there. Oh, these dogs, they're so nervous. Oh, everybody's running and playing. Play fighting. I can hear them coming back. Okay, you guys, come over here. Come on. They're going to turn into the yard here. They did up and down the highway, or the road I mean. There they go. So I'm just walking back to the shop here. They're just checking everything out here. They had a good run up and down the provincial road here, down to where the road basically ends. It's about 1.5 miles, 2 miles. So by the time we got back out to the road there, they were already coming back. So looks like Nina's had enough of bombardiering. She got herself out. But Schooner and Charlie and Emily might want to ride yet. I think what they're doing is checking the engine and transmission fluid, possibly. Oh, doing a little bit of wiring, I think, on that door fan. Little Charlie's watching from the yard. What do you think, Charlie? So I don't know what kind of wiring they're doing here, but I think it's for that door fan. Sure appreciate having young Aidan around here. Dad's really enjoyed having him in on the last couple of months. He's helpful, takes Dad's wrath and rage pretty well. The flex off of Peter, so, and the flex off of me, but Dad likes having him around. He's really helpful. So this is the inside. Toasty warm in here with a blower motor heater on, and you can see kind of the finished product here. Dad's got the escape hatch on, so even with the escape hatch open, it's nice and warm in here. Charles, hey my boy. Oh yes. Did Bombardier test run day is stressful for you, eh? So moving back into the shop again. Nina, get out of the way. I think Dad still has it turned over here, so the fan is still running. That's what you hear in the background. Okay, so what do you think?
Well, it's pretty mild here, and it's overheating when it's working like hell, so I think they're going to put a fan shroud around it.
A what?
A fan shroud on.
Okay. So, Peter, what do you think of your first test run on this machine?
Well,
Other than digging it out for 20 minutes?
well, we've seen a lot more bugs in machines. There doesn't seem to be too many bugs in this one.
Okay. And the little dog, how does she like it?
I just loved it.
Yeah. So, okay, so it's back in the shop, guys. March 1st, first test run. We didn't quite make it around the back of our back lot there because of 3 feet of snow that we weren't clearing. And these guys are just loading up the fire now because I had the doors open for so long that it cooled off in the shop. Peter's happy, Dad's happy. Dad's got a few other tweaks to do here yet. You can still hear the fan going on in the background. And so this is the first test run, and probably toured around a bit more after Dad's done his final tweaks. But not a bad Saturday after all. Anyways, Peter was sent outside to dig out a fan shroud, and it's this thing over here that's being unthawed. He's teasing Dad that he needs to put it into the Bombardier shed so nothing has to get dug out. Oh, and our old dog is just played out completely. Is that it for today?
I got a few things to do. Didn't let it cool off.
Yeah.
Then I got to check the rad and
Check oil and transmission.
the transmission's good, the motor's good.
Okay. Okay.
It's got lots of jam.